Get down. Stop. Stop.
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Oh, I'm okay.
Do you like squeaky toys?
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's married. Oh. Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall.
Stop scrolling. I have to show you something really, really important.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Hell no. Come on, wait. To the no, no, no. Come on, come on. Hell to the no. To the no.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Oh.
Smooth talking, so rocking. He's got everything that a girl's wanting.
Officer, how you doing? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's sick.
Alles on fleek, mama. Yeah. Tudo bem, mano. Tô.
Is there no way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Ali. Ai, rapaz, caiu. Caiu.
Good job, Lucy.
Roligt.
I can't take you anywhere. Hey, stop.
When you get mad after you fall. Who leg you done took, bro? Oh my goodness.
Good job, here. Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Ask you for emotional support, and you make me want to kill myself.